Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings immediately. This is where the change becomes permanent. Tap System or Network on Android or General on iOS because those menus contain airplane mode controls. Make sure you are signed into the device admin account. Without it, changes may reset. Once in Settings, locate the airplane mode toggle and leave the menu open. You'll use it and a related connectivity section next. This avoids hunting through nested menus later and speeds the permanent change process. Next, go deeper to prevent automatic re-enabling. On iOS, check Shortcuts Automations and turn off any that toggle airplane mode. On Android, check Digital Wellbeing, Bixby Routines, or Automation Apps and delete rules. Also, review Mobile Device Management or Carrier settings that might reapply policies. Remove or update them now. Once done, verify Wi-Fi and Bluetooth behaviors in the connectivity section because some systems restore radio states. Change those to manual so your off state stays consistent. Finally, toggle airplane mode off and accept any prompts that ask to apply or save. This commits the change. Restart the device to ensure the system loads your updated preferences. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are configured how you want them after boot. If the mode returns, inspect profiles or management policies and remove the enforcing item or contact the administrator. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to test whether a third-party app or profile is forcing airplane mode back on.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.